welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a bra haul. I am super excited and a little bit nervous to share this because it's weird to be showing bras on the internet, right? But I really like these. So this brand reached out to me and I saw them on Amazon and I knew I wanted to try them. So first, I have been a huge fan of wireless bras recently. I don't know, they're just more comfortable. I feel like they support me in ways that make me feel better. And I'm really excited about these. I've had them for a little over a month now, really putting them to the test. I wear these almost every single day. I wear the sports bras for working out and I love them. This brand is called Comfelie, I believe. Comfelie, that's kind of what I've been going with. And I definitely agree, they're very comfortable. So they did send me 6 bras and a pair of leggings. I'll talk about the leggings at the end, but I love them as well. I do have a code that will save you a little bit of money, and all of these will be linked down below with the color and the size that I got them in. For reference, I'm about a 36D, sometimes a double D, sometimes a 38D. Totally depends on the brand. I would say normally a 36D is the right size for me. The first thing I want to mention is that all of them are super high quality fabric. Stitching is amazing. They're seamless, so they can go under anything and look great. All of them do come with a bra extender that corresponds with the color so that you don't have to worry about having them be mismatched, which is great. So we'll talk through this one first. So this is just the basic tan one. This is the one I've been wearing pretty much every day. Very comfortable, very supportive. I love this v-neck. It's like the perfect level of a v-neck, so I can wear it under things like dresses and things that have a little bit more of a low cut without having to compromise on coverage and comfort. And then the back is nice and low as well. I feel like sometimes with wireless bras like this, the back is really high, so I appreciate that this one isn't. I can wear this with tank tops, pretty much anything, and it looks great. Straps are adjustable and they're nice and thick, and I really appreciate that they sit kind of further out. I've noticed that if I have bra straps that sit here, it ends up putting too much pressure on my shoulders. It gives me a little bit of a headache. So I really like this one. This has been my like go-to wear every single day bra, and I really like it. Okay, next up we have this one, which I absolutely love. This color is so pretty. I love this. You can tell it's actually the color of my lipstick today. I think this scallop is so cute, and again, they're all just so soft. All of them do have removable pads as well, so if you're not getting the pad that you like, you can always add a bigger one, or if you don't want them at all, you can take them out. They are double lined to accommodate the pad, so you don't necessarily need them, which I appreciate. Again, thick straps that hit right in the right spot. It's a really good length. And then again, the back is nice and low. The colors that it came in are super pretty, but I'm really happy with this kind of dark mauve color. Super pretty and still makes me feel put together, a little bit sexy and supported all at once. Okay, so this one is more of a bra tank. You can totally wear it underneath things. I think this has been one of my most worn ones, just as kind of a tank top with shorts or skirt. Super comfortable. Does have the built-in pad still. This one does slide over like a tank top. It really does just look like a tank top. You could totally work out in this as well. I'd probably say more of like a low impact workout. I feel like it hits right at the right spot, like perfectly by my waist. So it's really nice and slimming, and I feel like just very flattering. Plus the fabric is really soft, and it does have a inside section here to kind of hold everything together, so you don't have to feel like it's just flat fabric, which is really nice. And I love that it feels supportive, but it's still just like a cute tank top that I don't have to add another bra to. So this is awesome. I really like this one. Probably my favorite. So the next three are definitely more sports bras, starting with this one. This one is so comfortable. So this one does slide over. It has crisscross straps in the back, and then a super fun like elastic piece that's actually a dark green, which I really like, and it makes it nice and breathable in the back, which is great for working out. Straps are adjustable here, and again, the pads are removable. I really like this one. I like where this hits for like ab days because I feel like it's not getting in the way of anything. I really like this one. Like all of them, does come in a bunch of colors, but I liked the black, and the crisscross is fun too. So this is another great one. Okay, this sports bra is definitely more of a medium impact. You could probably go for a little bit more of a high impact depending on how big your chest is. But I really like this one. I think this one came in a black option also, but I decided to get the white and kind of get something a little different. And I'm really glad I did because I like it. I love this two-tone. Sorry, my floor. So creaky. Of course, it's like right where I'm standing. So this one is two-tone, which I really, really like. I feel like it adds a fun color to it, and it just kind of like lifts everything up and kind of contours it for you. This one is definitely the lowest, which is awesome. So you kind of have a variety, which is really, really helpful. And I love the gray that they picked here. I think this is really pretty. I love this band on this one. I don't know why it feels different to me. It just feels extra thick in the front, but really breathable in the back. So I really like this. And this one is similar to the first couple, just a nice low back with the adjustable straps, removable pads. I really have been enjoying this one for working out because I feel like it's a good level of support where I don't feel like everything's like compressed against me, but I still feel supported and comfortable throughout my workout. So I really, really like this one. And again, I just think the two-tone is super pretty. Okay, lastly, we have this one, which is such a pretty green color. This one has a fun mesh detail in the front and then also in the back, which I love. You do adjust this section, but you do slide the whole thing over. Again, adjustable straps, adjustable pads. And this one is a bit more of the full coverage. And I would say this is probably more of the like higher impact level. I really like this one. I do feel like the mesh makes it easier to breathe, and the mesh back definitely does. So love that. And I am obsessed with this green color. I seriously think it is so pretty. And I feel like I just need a bunch of things in this color because it's so wonderful. Okay, so those are all the bras. Let's go ahead and talk about these leggings. These are some of my new favorites. I've kind of just fallen in love with them. They are super, super, super seamless. They have no sewn seams anywhere, but they are so well constructed. They don't have any pockets, which I think is perfect for a seamless legging. And they are more of a like 7/8 length, which is great. I've kind of been falling in love with that length lately, which is really serendipitous that it kind of fell within this collaboration. These are super thin and so stretchy. They're just like super, super comfortable. These are my go-to, like lounge around the house, clean up, sit on the couch, eat some food. They're just like the perfect leggings. I have worn them a lot to work out and I really like them for working out too. They're very breathable and they're thin, but they're not see-through, which I really appreciate because y'all know I hate when things are see-through. It really just drives me crazy. So I'm really glad that these are thin but not sheer. I'll also say they do give a decent amount of compression except for around the tummy area, which I actually really prefer because I like having my legs look really slim, but I don't want the pressure on my stomach because when I'm working out, that gets annoying. It usually rolls down. And if I'm doing any kind of sitting at all, I feel like it just puts too much pressure on my stomach and makes me feel gross. So I like that these have a lot of room up here and feel very nice and comfortable and compressive around my legs. So they make my legs look really good and they don't make me feel gross. So I absolutely love this. The price of everything on this brand is so great for the quality of what you're getting. They could easily be charging over $100 for these. I mean, seriously, the quality is like otherworldly. They have tons of different styles and so many colors. And they're really, really practical bras. These are not your sexy lingerie bras. These are your practical, wear every day, still feel comfortable, still feel supported bras. And I feel like that's what we're wearing most of the time anyways. So if you are interested in trying any of them, all of them will be linked down below and I will have that code to save you some money, which we always love to see. Thank you so much to Comfelie for sending me these and letting me try them out. I've really been putting them to the test, wash, dry, wear, exercise, everything, and I'm super, super impressed. So thank you so much for sending them to me and letting me try them out and share them. And thank you for coming and hanging out and watching with me. I really, really appreciate you being here and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.